occupation? Okay. What is your strength?
My strength is Jesus Christ.
No. I'm asking if your strength is senior high school. Is it ABM?
Sorry po, I got the strength. My strength is accountancy, business and management.
Okay. So accountancy, business, and management. Okay. So let's just shake your nervousness. Now, please pick the name of your thought. And please read who it is. Sir or Dr. Renato Menrey Jr.
Magandang gabi, candidate number 5. Anong height mo?
I think